Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you sorry. So today I'm going to show you how to check your account information on Roblox. So let's get started. You open your Roblox. Once you open your Roblox, next thing you need to do is go to your you want to check what are the information on your account. Now let's get started. Then you could go your settings, then you come here to account info. Click on account info, and this is where you're going to get everything about your account, your age, your name, everything that you use on the account. You're going to see it here. So this is it. Now you can see the passkey, you verify your age, everything about your account is here. So it's very simple. You can see so here's it. So guys, once if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.